Hey guys, it's a Frugalnista. What does it look like I'm doing, y'all? It looks like I'm straight cold chilling, right? Well, I'm not. I'm about to do what I do on Mondays. It's an obsession that I have. I know that somebody out there has this same obsession. Y'all, I'm obsessed with my sectional sofa. And every Monday, I come down and I make sure there are no spots and I clean it. But anyway, I don't care. I'm not even ashamed. Yes, I clean my sectional sofa every Monday because I like it and I want it to stay new looking. All right, guys, on the real. No, I'm serious. I'm obsessed with this thing. I really am. I want to keep it nice and new. Now, we sit on it and stuff now. I don't have that kind of house where you can't, be normal. I debated on getting this type of furniture because we had leather for so long, y'all. And leather to me is a lot easier. You don't have to do anything to leather except just sit on it. And if something spills on it, you can go, just wipe and go. But I want to turn the camera on and show you guys how I clean my sectional sofa and how I have been cleaning it since January. Okay, guys, it's Monday, and this is what I do on a Monday. I come downstairs and check on my man. My couch. Hey, baby, how you doing? I look and I just assess to make sure there are no spots. I move the cushions out of the way. Uh, what is this? Get off my baby. Yes, it's time to take care of business and make this bad boy continue to look like new. Light a few candles and okay, let's stop the music first of all. Let's just stop the music. Cue the clean with me music. Okay, that's what we can start off with first. Okay, let's get serious, guys. I use two items on my sofa. I use a Febreze in the vanilla scent. I like that. And I found this little brush and dustpan from Dollar Tree. Now, you'd be surprised how much this little brush set can get stuff off of my sofa. I'll even show you some of the stuff that comes off. Yep, I only use it on the sofa and I have to hide it from my family because they will use it. First, I'm going to take off all of the pillows. And then we are just going to go to town with this brush. It gets out all of the little debris that has fallen, between the cushions. And speaking of cushions, I take the brush, and the backing of my cushion has a silk-like fabric, which stuff just clings to. So I use the brush on the back and front. Now this is where the deep clean comes in. Look at this, guys. Hair, fibers, you know what, yuck. So this is where the deep clean comes in, and I really like doing it this way so it won't be a build-up. And then I just do the same process throughout the rest of the couch, just using the brush to brush all the cushions. It really is like therapy, guys. It's my alone time with my sectional. Look who came home from school messing up my groove. Okay, on this part, I need help. Y'all know I like lines on my floors, my carpet. But is there anybody out there who likes lines on the sofa? Okay, it must be me. I need help. Okay, I need help. Okay, it is wind down time. All of the hard work has been done. It looks, to me, okay now. How many, to you, does it look okay? but I still think I can make it look really, really nice. So I go in and I fluff all the pillows. I make sure they are just so, reshaping them, and to myself, I'm worrying to myself like, ooh, I hope it doesn't start losing its shape. But it has not. Y'all can see I can still be a tad bit obsessive. I'm looking at something right there. I don't know what I was looking at, but anyway, fixing the rest of the pillows. And it's time for the OCD to kick in. Y'all see I have that brush in my hand? Guess what I'm gonna do with it? Can anybody guess? Yeah, I'm gonna go back over it. I like my lines to be a certain way. You know how you vacuum and you like the carpet lines a certain way? Well, I like my couch lines a certain way. So I brush up. Yeah, I brush all of the fibers up so it can have a uniform look. I cannot be the only somebody who does this. If anybody is not too ashamed to admit it, please tell me in the comments. But yeah, we're almost finished. And I think it looks nice. Let me know what you think. And again, this is a 6-month-old couch. And I've been doing it this way basically, you know, since we've had it. Once a week, I give it a good once over with the brush. Up next are the pillows. Considering that we use these to, you know, go to sleep on. My hubby actually was confined to this couch when he was having, you know, after he had his surgery. I think the pillows are still in great shape also, and I just kind of do the same thing with the pillows. Use the brush to brush off the ones that I can brush off, fluff the other ones, and yeah, they still look great. I might put some polyfill maybe, but they're not flat yet, so using the brush on the pillows. And I even have a fancy one that I still keep on this couch. The kids like playing with my shimmy shimmy pillow. And even the shimmy shimmy pillow looks great to me. I just kind of fluff it and keep on going. Yeah. Cue the sexy music. All right, now I got my couch looking good. I want it to smell good. I'm using some Febreze. It's in the vanilla scent. I like to lightly spray it. I don't like anything overpowering. It is a fresh scent. And just like the commercial, you never know what your house really smells like. And I've been using this once a week since I've had the couch with no problems. Again, it's by Febreze, and I only use a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. And that's how he looks, guys. My version of a deep clean on a sectional cloth sofa. Again, it's 6 months old. This couch has been through a couple of parties, a Super Bowl party nonetheless. And I think it still looks great. You guys let me know what you think. And give me a few of your tips how you clean your sectional sofas. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.